With stocks suffering and uncertainty reigning as the new norm, now is the time to position yourself for financial security. Following a few simple tips could help you to better avoid financial disappointment in the future. As the market flashes red, you should reevaluate how your savings are allocated. To help increase your savings and organize your money, allocate 50% of take-home pay to essentials like housing and transportation. Place 15% of pre-tax income into retirement savings. Allocate 5% of take-home pay to a savings account for the unexpected. Save the remaining amount for other personal goals. Making specific decisions about how your money is saved and spent can help you gain a sense of financial control and avoid living paycheck to paycheck. The average adult in the U.S. spends almost $1,500 a month on non-essential items. To help avoid unnecessary spending, set priorities, make a budget, and stick to your plan. When it's time to spend, do your research. Financial decisions deserve time and consideration. Plus, slowing the decision-making process can help you avoid spending impulsively on unnecessary items. Avoid the urge to reach for a credit card during times of financial disappointment. There are interest rates to consider, minimum payment amounts, and always another desirable purchase looming in the distance. If you're able to effectively allocate your finances and also make more informed purchases, you'll be well positioned to pay down credit card debt. Portfolio diversification is essential to the pursuit of financial preparedness. Diversification is the act of achieving variety in your portfolio to reduce risk. With the recent economic turmoil, now might be the best time to adjust your portfolio. Some experts recommend holding 10 to 25% of your portfolio in tangible assets like gold, silver, and platinum. But owning gold and precious metals can do more than help protect against another financial disappointment in your life. It can also give you and your family a sense of tangible security. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to learn more about the powerful benefits of owning precious metals. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about adding precious metals to your diversified portfolio.